Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Reddit. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we will search about Reddit app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Reddit. And then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your